Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, look at this sad state. My nails are in a seriously sad state. But thankfully my Dashing Diva nail stickers have just gotten here, and so I know I have been wearing them like crazy all over the place, and so many of you asked me how I'm getting those glitter nails and those super sparkly nails that I've been wearing all over the internet, all over Instagram, on my everywhere, on my blog, and so many of you guys were asking me, and you could not believe it. I can't believe it. I couldn't believe it myself when I tried them. They are Dashing Diva nail stickers. They're so easy to use that you actually just put them on like a sticker right on top of your nails, and they last for at least 2 weeks. They're really truly amazing. So in seconds you can just put them on and you'll be out the door ready to go with glitter. Well, I've been wearing glitter nails, but they also have, you know, matte shades and all different. They have so many different colors to choose from. So today I think I will go for glitter nails again though, because I'm just so addicted to the glitter ones. But like I said, they do have a huge range of colors to choose from, mattes and pastels, and just so many gorgeous shades, shiny, you know, different shiny shades. So they're so easy to use. I do have some tips and tricks how I do them for myself to really just get them how I feel is perfect. So I'm going to share with you guys today my tips and tricks for using the Dashing Diva nail stickers. And I am going to pop on nail tips before I show you guys. So another day I'll show you guys how I put on my nail tips. They're just press-on nails. So I'm just gonna pop on some clear press-on nails, and then I put my stickers, my Dashing Diva nail stickers on top to get that look, because they're really short. So just to give me some length, I'm gonna just pop on some press-on nails. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go. And I'm so excited because I just don't feel right without my nails. So I'm gonna go do my nails. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get my glitter festivities on. And so let's go check them out, guys, and see how I go from this to this. So come on, guys, let me show you. It's so easy. So here I have my Dashing Diva case where I keep all of my nail supplies so I can do my Dashing Diva nails. So in here are my stickers and my emery board and different accessories that I use to do my nails. So inside you can see here, it's so gorgeous, this vibrant pink color. It has different zippered compartments where you can keep all of your different accessories. They do have Dashing Diva gems, which I love. So these are so much fun. You can just pop these on your nails and do different nail art designs. So gorgeous. So I love those. And I also keep my prep pads in here, and these you would use when you're putting the stickers on your natural nails. I like to wipe them down with a prep pad beforehand. These are just pretty much, you know, will help remove the oils off of your nails. I did pop on these nail tips today, so I'm going to be skipping this part, but definitely if you have natural nails, you want to use a prep pad before you put on your stickers, so that this way you'll just remove any oils that might be on your nails, because that, you know, you just want to kind of dehydrate your nails a bit, so that this way the stickers will just stick all the more better for you. So here are some more stickers, nail crystals that you can just pop on your real nails, on your nails. So you can pop these on right over your stickers. So I absolutely love these, or pop these on, you know, however you want. So these are just absolutely stunning. All of the Dashing Diva nail stickers and accessories are available at Walmart, so it's super easy to get a hold of these amazing nail stickers for yourself. So now I'm just gonna go into my other section where I keep all of my nail stickers, the fun part. So here is my current collection. So, and then I have more nail gems in here, which are just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to play with these and put these on. So they're much more sparkly in real life, that's for sure. So these are the Brilliance Dashing Diva Brilliance Premium Mini Jewel stickers, and here is the Mega Jewel stickers. So they're just absolutely stunning. I think I'll use these today. What do you guys think? These are gorgeous. So then I like to keep my scissors in here because I personally like to use a scissor to cut away the extra nail sticker. I'll show you guys in a minute. So like I was saying, here is my current collection. So I have all of these gorgeous colors to choose from today. So this is actually Wisteria Whisper. Such a gorgeous color. It's actually deeper than that. The light is making it look brighter. These I'm obsessed with. These I've been wearing like crazy. These kind of glitter ones are my favorite. So I'll try to show you guys better. But these are just beyond stunning. These are Champagne Pop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear these today because I am so obsessed. I just cannot believe, I can't get over the fact that I can have glitter nails in seconds for, you know, these are super affordable, these nail stickers. So here is another nail sticker that they have. Let me look up this color, but ooh, these are gorgeous. These are more white. These are Crystal Ice. So, oh my god, I have to do those. Oh my god, I love these. What do you guys think? Ugh, I can't believe it. I used to spend so much money getting glitter nails. Here is a gorgeous matte. So it's just a gorgeous matte. This is Vanilla Bean. Here is another gorgeous shade. This is called Moody Mauve. So this is just like a gorgeous, gorgeous, deep kind of wine shade. And then here is Spiced Wine, which is just like a gorgeous Cabernet. So as you can see, it's just a gorgeous kind of Merlot color. Wow, very vampy, gorgeous. So like I said, guys, I am just gonna go in with this glitter nails because these are my favorite. Or should I actually, you know what I'll do? I'll do the Merlot, this Merlot color with the sparkle nail color, with a sparkle accent nail. An accent nail with the sparkles, and I'll use the Merlot for the rest of my nails. And I would love to use one of these jewels. Oh my god. So let's go ahead and do it. It's gonna take seconds, guys. You're not gonna believe it. So let's see here. I'm gonna first take them out of the box, of course. So here they are. And then I'm just gonna, guys, you're not gonna believe how quickly we're gonna do this today. So then I'm going to just take, let's see here. It does also come with an emery board, so that's really good. So I'm just going to take, let's just go ahead and, now it's better to be on the bigger side, you know, choose a larger size than what you would think you needed. So I'm just gonna pop it right on top. This is it. I just popped on the sticker like so, and there you go. That's it. I'm just gonna clean up the edges, but we're just gonna go ahead and repeat that now on all of the nails, except I'm gonna do an accent nail. I'm gonna do this nail silver. So let's just go ahead though, guys, and put the rest of them on. And just push it on. Like so. Isn't that gorgeous? Maybe I'll do all the large ones right first. So I just pop that on. That's it. Now I do have some extra, so I'm going to take that off. Just the tip, but I'll show you how I do that in a second. So let's just keep it moving, guys, and finish up all of the nails. So I am using the largest size. But there you go. That's another one. So this is where we're at so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and put an accent nail onto my index finger. So I'm just going to reach in for one of these gorgeous ones. This is the Champagne Pop color. And so I'm just going to go, I like to go for the biggest size there is, and then I'll take off the excess. So let's see here. Just take this one. I really love these champagne colored sparkly ones because they give you an ombre effect. They go from light to, they start lighter, so it gives you that ombre look. These are my favorite. Oh my god. So that's pretty good. That's it, guys. And I'm just gonna put one on the other nail now. And just smooth it on like so. That's it. So now we're just going to take our emery board. So they all come with an emery board, and you're just gonna go from top to bottom. Now, but what I like to do though, let me just show you guys really quickly what I like to do personally. I just like to look from behind, and I take a scissor and I cut off the excess with a scissor or a nail cutter, a nail clipper. So I'm just going from behind so you can see. If you have longer nails, you know, you can do that. Unless your nails are short, then you can probably see. So I'm just going in from behind so I'm seeing where the sticker is overlapping my nail tip. So I just cut it off. So that's what I like to do. And then I just buff away just the excess. There's going to be a very minimal amount. So from top to bottom, you just want to go and just take off the excess. Or I also like to just go from side to side like so. In like this, top to bottom. And I'm just taking off the excess. It was so easy, guys. This hand is done. And just do this hand really quick. So this is where we're at so far. Now I'm just going to clean this up, and I'll put everything away better later. But I just want to show you really quickly what I like to do to just help them to stay even better. But isn't that gorgeous? I could not be happier. But I do like to just go in with a coat of top coat, and I just love to especially do this just to cap off the edges like so. So let me try to show you. So I'm just capping, I'm really focusing on capping off the top. So I just really like to do that. Just, you know, just, you don't have to, but this is just something that I like to do, and I thought I would share because I really think it makes a big difference. So I'm just using a quick dry top coat. This top coat does dry in less than a minute, so your nails are going to be done now, like instantly. So here they are. These are my finished nails. So dolls, this is the finished result. I cannot get over how stunning these Dashing Diva nails are. They are so much fun, so easy to apply them and do them, and they last and last for at least 2 weeks, so in my experience. So I could not be happier. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to offer any more tips and tricks that I might have, but although I did share everything today, so let me know if you have any questions though. Dashing Diva nail stickers and nail gem art are available at Walmart. So definitely check them out. They have so many different color options, so much fun, different nail art that you can do. So I absolutely love them. And definitely comment below if you would like to win a pair of Dashing Diva nail stickers for yourself. I will be picking a winner to take home 2 nail stickers for yourself. So just comment below and let me know that you'd like to be entered. That's pretty much it. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love.